Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I am going to be showing you guys what I got during the Sephora sale. If you don't know already, Sephora is having their annual sale and it is until April 19th, so you still got time. But I placed a huge order, so I picked up a bunch of stuff and I'm going to show you guys what I got. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram because I have been posting so many things that I've been getting, what I recommend you guys get. So definitely follow me on there because I spill a lot of tea. So follow me on Instagram. But today I'm going to show you guys all the beauty products, skincare. We got a little bit of everything in here. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, and let's get into it. We're going to be here for a while, so I hope you guys get some snacks, get some drinks, get comfy because we're about to be here for a while. So the first thing I got is this Fenty Skin HYDRAVIZOR Invisible Moisturizer with SPF 30. I have been hearing such good things about this. I've never tried Fenty Skin. Maybe I'm the only one because I feel like everybody has. But this is my first time trying Fenty Skin. And I've been hearing such good things about this moisturizer because it has SPF in it, which is good. We all need SPF. But I've been hearing it's good because it's invisible, and I don't know about you guys, but I do have a separate sunscreen, but when I'm wearing makeup, I don't like to layer stuff. I don't like to do like moisturizer, serum, primer, sunscreen. It's doing too much. So a moisturizer with SPF, I'm just like, okay, I need that. And my Sephora people have been raving about this. Every time I'm in Sephora, everyone's like, Carla, you need to get this. It's so good. It's so good. So I'm like, okay, I need to try it. So this is it. Sticking on skincare, I picked up another one of this. This is my second one. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. It's an ultimate glow and brightening serum. I have been loving this. I purchased another one and I was like, you know what? I need to stock up because I like it. I really like this. I use this every single day. I've actually been using this as a primer and it's giving me such a glow. Like I'm wearing it right now and it gives me a beautiful glow. So I really, really like this. I'm trying to go in order. So here's another skincare product. This is the HENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream, Vitamin C and Collagen Boosted. You guys know this is one of my favorites. I've been using this for a really long time. I ran out and it was the perfect time for me to stock up again. I really, really like this for brightening under my eye and especially for my concealer. I feel like it gives me such a nice, beautiful canvas for concealer. It doesn't crease and it just adds a little bit of brightening under the concealer and I need that. So really, really like this. I recommend you guys pick this up. I actually have this in my makeup kit, so I use this on my clients as well and everybody loves it. So this is a must-have. This is another classic. This is my Shiseido Benefiance, I think that's how you say it, Wrinkle Resist 24 Retinol Express Smoothing Eye Mask. That's a really long name, but basically what you need to know is that this eye mask has retinol in it. Retinol is amazing for fine lines, for wrinkles. It's just amazing for it. So something like this in an eye mask, give it to me. I need it. So I have used this before. I've really, really liked it. It's 4 age-defying benefits for youthful vibrance. It says on here that these quick concentrated treatment sheets reduce the appearance of wrinkles even with just one eye application. It improves skin texture and improves its resilience, and it makes your eyes look vibrant and skin as smooth as silk. Come on guys, I'm sold. Something like this, a must-have. I've used this before. I really, really like it. And I remember I would use this like even before I would go out, I would just put it on. My makeup under my eyes would look flawless. Like this is really good. I really like it. And it says on here to use 2 to 3 times a week after cleansing and balancing skin. I used to use this maybe once a week. I wouldn't use it 2 to 3 times a week because it's expensive. Like this is 12 packs and I think it's $65 or $85. I don't remember, but I know it's expensive. So I don't know about using it 3 times a week because I'm gonna have to buy a lot of them, but I use once a week and it works amazing. You guys know I had to pick up another one of these. This is the Living Proof Heat Styling Spray. At this point, Living Proof needs to sponsor me because I swear I mentioned this in so many videos. I love this heat protecting tool. It's amazing. It's a heat styling spray that you can use on dry hair, which I find is amazing because we don't wash our hair every day. So I don't like using like oils or creams because then it makes my hair wet. So something like this is amazing, protects my hair. I use it when I straighten my hair, curl my hair. So this is a must-have and I already ran out, so it was the perfect time. I picked up the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Foundation, but not just one. I picked up 3 because you guys know I love this foundation. This is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation and it's on sale. It's usually $58, but it's on sale for $40. plus 20% off. So it's a huge discount right now. And as you guys know, BECCA is closing down as of September, and I'm so sad. So it's only right I picked up 3 of them so that I am stocked up and I am good for a while. So we're good. I also stocked up on another one of the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. If you guys haven't checked out my review, I did review this, so definitely check it out if you haven't already, but I love this skin tint. It is so beautiful. I'm actually wearing it right now. I really, really like this. So I was like, you know what? I gotta stock up because I know I'm gonna be using this a lot. I actually had a lot of people on Instagram messaging me being like, I saw your review and you convinced me I wanna buy the Fenty skin tint. And it makes me happy that you guys are listening to my recommendations because I'm telling you, this is really, really good. You guys will really, really like this. Totally recommend it. This is the One Size Beauty Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation, new product that they just launched, and I actually did a review on it. So if you guys haven't seen the review, definitely check out the review so you guys can know my thoughts on it. But this is something I got, and I got it in the shade Medium 4G. Another foundation I picked up, because you can never have too many foundations, is the famous viral KVD Good Apple Foundation. I know you guys know this foundation has been sold out since it launched. I've been keeping my eye on the Sephora app, in stores, and it has been sold out for weeks. So I finally got so lucky. I picked one up and now it's out of stock again. So I picked one up and I'm excited to try it because I've been hearing good things. I've been hearing bad things. If you guys want a review on this, let me know in the comments down below and I will review it. I picked it up in the shade Medium 54. This is another new product that just came out. This is the DIOR Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder. And it's basically a perfecting translucent powder, natural radiant blur finish, all day mattify, and I picked it up in the shade 3N. I'm excited to try this because when I saw powder no powder, I was like, okay, give it to me. I need to pick it up, and it's Dior. So I'm excited to try this out. Again, if you guys want a review, let me know in the comments down below and I will try it out and let you guys know how I like it. Another powder I got, I know, I ordered a lot of stuff, guys, I know. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder, and I picked it up in the shade Medium 2. I only got a mini one because here's my thing with Charlotte Tilbury. Their powders, I've heard such good things about it, but they only have 4 shades. Like, what is going on? Why is there only 4 shades? I cannot fit into the shade 3. It's way too dark for my skin. 2 is too light. So I was like, you know what? Let me pick up a mini one so I can use this to just set my concealer. Sorry, I'm like here struggling to open it. So my plan is, oh, here we go. So my plan is to just use this to set underneath my concealer to just brighten up. But honestly, Charlotte Tilbury needs to do better. Like, come on, 4 shades? I don't know. I don't know about that. So we'll see. I'm excited to try it because I've been hearing good things about this. But please, we need more shades because the 4 shades, I just can't deal. I feel like this is something that everybody has tried except me. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. This is just a pot concealer. This is in the shade Medium 2 Ginger, so it looks like this. So it's like a pot concealer. I've heard a lot of good things about this. I heard it's really full coverage, it's really creamy, so I was like, okay, let me try it. I used to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I didn't really like it. I found it creased a lot, so I'm excited to try this one out because I've heard a lot of good things. I've heard it doesn't crease. I heard the coverage is great, so I'm excited to try this out. This is another new product. This is the KOSAS Air Brow Fluff and Hold Treatment Gel, and KOSAS I think is a pretty new line, so I've never tried anything from them, so this is about to be my first time trying it. And I actually saw this on TikTok. Somebody recommended this, so I was like, you know what? You convinced me. I need to try it out. Okay, why is this so small? This is the new FRECK Beauty Original Freckle that I ordered, but guys, why is it so small? I didn't think it'd be this small, unless I made a mistake and I ordered a mini. Let me check the receipt because I swear I did not order a mini. No, this has to be a mistake. Guys, look at how small this is. This looks like it's a little sample that they sent me. I'm gonna have to check the website right now. Please hold because I'm so confused right now. Okay, I guess I did order the mini because it shows it has one bigger size at $37, but this was $29. I'm shocked, and it's actually sold out. But okay, this is what it looks like. It's very, very tiny, looking like a sample, but it is the FRECK OG, the original freckle, and it's basically a long wear freckle makeup. Never seen something like this, and it looks like this. It is so tiny, guys. I can't get over the fact that it's so tiny. It looks like a nail glue. Like, my nail glue is bigger than this. Like, I can't believe how tiny this is. So I picked it up in the shade, is there a shade? It doesn't say a shade on here. I really, really want to see what the hype is about. So if you guys are interested in me testing this out or doing a tutorial using it, let me know because we all love full freckles. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to try this out. But honestly, I'm so disappointed in the size already. So we'll see. But let me know and maybe I'll try this out for you guys. And I think that's it. Well, there's these samples. I picked up the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. Have heard very good things about this primer. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter sample thing. I've heard good things about this too, so maybe we'll try these out. But that is the end of my video. That's everything I picked up, and let me tell you, the bill was pretty expensive, but I was like, you know what, I have to treat myself, and all of these things are things I need. They're all essentials. I know you guys can relate, so I really needed to pick them up. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. As always, I will have everything listed down below. Let me know in the comments down below what products you want me to review. If you want me to review any of these products or any products you guys just want to see me try out, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know, what did you guys get during the Sephora sale? Because the sale is still on until April 19th. So let me know in the comments down below, what did you guys pick up? And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.